J. Justice for all. Justice is the foundation of a fair and united Jamaica. It is more than courtrooms and law books. It is making sure every Jamaican in every parish can access justice without fear or favor. A PNP government will rebuild trust by making sure our justice system is faster, more transparent, and closer to the people it serves.
We will complete Jamaica's journey to full sovereignty. We will replace the British monarch with a Jamaican president who is chosen by and accountable to the people, and we will make the Caribbean Court of Justice our final court of appeal, so the highest judgments that affect Jamaicans are made in our region.
Constitutional reform will be participatory and transparent. We will hold public forums and outreach in schools and communities so Jamaicans can debate and shape the changes they want. We will strengthen parliamentary accountability, consider fixed election dates and term limits, and expand the Senate to broaden representation, including voices from the diaspora, persons with disabilities, and the Rastafari and Maroon communities.
Access must be real, not rhetorical. We will expand legal aid to include civil and constitutional matters, complete the review of the Domestic Violence Act, and implement the recommendations. We will enact a basic financial services law so people can access fair banking across the country. We will also upgrade court facilities so that judges, staff, and citizens' work are served in safe, modern spaces.
Our legal reform agenda reflects who we are as a nation. We will recognize Jamaican language as part of our identity, ban the hair discrimination, protect ancestral spaces and cultural practices, fully recognize Rastafari as an indigenous religion with associated rights, and pursue a respectful accord with Maroon communities that gives modern recognition to their treaty rights. We will also join the International Criminal Court to reinforce Jamaica's commitment to global justice.
Justice for all means laws applied equally. Stronger protection for women, seniors, and persons with disabilities. Public access to beaches that balances community rights with tourism. And a clear pathway for the ganja economy to empower communities. It means a justice system that is efficient, dignified, and truly ours.
This is the next step in finishing the work of independence. The full details are available in our manifesto online. The time has come to build a justice system worthy of our people and our future.